At ACES, we're involved in the design and discovery of new materials and their use in applications related to new energy technologies and medical technologies. This interdisciplinary collaborative research group that is globally connected provides an excellent research training ground. Let me introduce you to Charbel. So Charbel, how did you end up in Wollongong?
So during my final year project at the Lebanese American University in Lebanon back in 2016, I was introduced to UOW by one of my supervisors. He recommended that I attend UOW since I said to him that I'm interested in pursuing graduate studies. My PhD was about developing 3D printable soft actuators and sensors that can be used in a wide range of soft robotic applications, including locomotion robots, artificial muscles, adaptive grippers, and soft human-machine interfaces. But most importantly, I was focused on developing sensors and actuators that can be integrated in the UOW ACES soft prosthetic hand.
So in the course of a project like this, you must have worked with a lot of different people. This is a highly interdisciplinary project requiring a lot of different skills.
Yeah, definitely. We worked with a lot of people from different backgrounds, people in materials science, specifically electromaterials, smart materials, people from the manufacturing industry to know more about 3D printing, the different 3D printing technologies that we can use to 3D print our sensors and actuators. Our goal is to really give people hope, change their life positively, and make them again feel their loved ones through our soft prosthetic hand, so we can design and tailor these designs to specific individuals to provide them with the best experience they can get.
So in the course of this interdisciplinary project, what are the key technical skills that you've accrued?
3D printing is the most technical skill I have mastered throughout my PhD because I was involved on a daily basis in 3D printing every single day, and since we have a wide variety of 3D printing facilities and technologies here at ACES, I was able to know how to start the 3D printing process from the starting point where we design the part in a way to meet certain 3D printing technology until we get the final prototype.
So within the centre, there's opportunities to accrue other non-technical skills. How have you made use of those opportunities?
These were, I think, the key elements for the success of my PhD and for doing well in my PhD. So the first one was discipline. I learned through my PhD how to be a disciplined person, how to manage my time effectively, and I learned really how much it is important to show up every single day, no matter how slow you're progressing or no matter what's happening to you. You have to show up, be consistent, be patient to see some research results, and talk with people effectively. So ACES provided us with a lot of workshops, seminars, presentations that really equipped us with the necessary elements to communicate our projects and to go through our PhD journey, no matter what challenges we face.
Well, it sounds like it's been quite a journey over the last few years. Great success in being able to develop your technology and integrate it with the bigger team into that soft prosthetic hand and other actuators, robotics, as you mentioned. So where to now for you? What does the next 5 years bring?
Nobody knows what the future holds, but I'm a very optimistic person. I believe that good things are on the way. But in the meantime, for the next couple of years, I'll be here in ACES working further on the soft prosthetic hand. We want to integrate some 3D printable sensors directly into the hand, along with some machine learning algorithms to make it smarter and more adaptive for upper limb amputees.